Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Citi Double Cash card portal, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have your Citi Double Cash card in hand. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in the official Citi website URL. Press the Enter key to load the website. Once the home page appears, locate the Sign On button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign On button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your user ID and password. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, type your password into the appropriate field. If you are using a personal device, consider checking the box that says Remember User ID. Once all details are correctly filled, if your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, look for the links below the sign-in fields. Click on Forgot User ID if you need assistance with your user ID. Follow the prompts on the screen to retrieve your user ID. If you need to reset your password, click on Forgot Password instead. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password and regain access. Once logged in, take some time to explore the various features available on your account dashboard. You can view your balance, check rewards, and manage your account preferences. If you have any issues during the authentication process, look for the Contact Us link for further assistance. For added security, remember to log out of your account when finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.